Here's a look at wood nettle. This is a relative of stinging nettle. It's actually a different genus and species, but really interchangeable as far as food and medicine value. They do have stingers, but that sting is medicinal. Very helpful. So what you'll see is I'm just pinching back parts very carefully with my finger, and then give it a little shake, get a couple of the bugs off there, and then I add it to a kind of bundle. This way I can still harvest. From there I can tie it with my handkerchief and carry the handkerchief and not really tag myself up. Of course, nettle stings go away when they're dehydrated or when you cook them. I'll probably end up cooking these. Here I just tied the handkerchief on the stems. They're pretty secure there. I made them pretty tight, and then I made another tie. Now I can carry it by my side.